Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber cells and 2 large rubber cells on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it's not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Fix the holders to the machine. Connect the big lipo laser applicators to the machine. Connect the small lipo laser applicators to the machine. Connect the vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the 40K handpiece to the machine. Connect the body RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the bio handpiece to the machine. Connect the hot and cold handpiece to the machine. Connect the phase bipolar RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the phase sextupole RF handpiece to the machine. Put all handpieces and the laser applicators into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine. After all are connected properly, press power switch to get the machine started, and then the function selection interface will appear. Choose function based on your needs. Choose phase sextupole RF treatment. Set parameters. Time range 0 to 60 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. Energy range 0 to 10, 3 to 7 is recommended. NOR mode is recommended. Mode selection. NOR. Fixed mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after start button is pressed. Pro. Smart mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after start button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. The latter is recommended for first-time users. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose body RF treatment. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 37 energy level is recommended. NOR mode is recommended. Mode selection here is the same as face RF treatment. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose 40K treatment. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. Constant working mode is recommended. Mode selection. Constant working mode. Suitable for those who have thick fat accumulation. Discontinuous working mode. Suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. The latter is recommended for first-time users. Apply dedicated gel evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Please note, make sure there are no metal objects like ornaments on the treatment receiver. People who have metal implants in their body should not take the treatment. This treatment should not be performed on heart and bones. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose vacuum and RF treatment. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. NOR mode for RF function is recommended. Mode 1 for vacuum function is recommended. Suction time range is 0 to 2, 0.3 to 1.5 is recommended. Release time range is 0 to 2, 0.1 to 0.8 is recommended. Please note, suction time should be always longer than release time during treatment. When release time is 0, the handpiece is in constant suction mode. You can set the suction time and the release time manually or choose preset working modes. There are 5 working modes available. Apply essential oil to the target area evenly before treatment. Do not use thick cream products in case there's blockage. Press button to begin the treatment. There is a knob for adjusting suction level on the machine. Turning it clockwise is to raise suction level, and turning it anti-clockwise is to lower suction level. Adjust it based on individual sensations. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose lipo laser treatment. Set parameters. 20 to 30 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Mode selection. Mode 1, constantly on, suitable for those who have severe fat accumulation. Mode 2, low frequency flash, suitable for those who want to consolidate results to shape body. Mode 2 is recommended for first-time users. Wrap the strap that has proper length around the target area. Press button to begin the treatment. Fix the laser applicators into the strap. Press button to stop the treatment. Remove the laser applicators and untie the strap. Choose hot and cold treatment. Set parameters. 5 to 10 minutes is recommended. 37 anise level is recommended. Mode selection. Cold mode can be used to soothe and calm skin, relieve acne, and minimize pore size. Hot mode can be used to expand pore size temporarily and help promote skin absorption. Apply gel or face essence evenly before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose Face Bipolar RF treatment. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 37 anise level is recommended. Normal mode is recommended. Mode selection here is the same as face sectable RF treatment. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose Bio treatment. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 37 anise level is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Please note, adjust anise level based on individual endurance. Mode selection. Mode 1, constant working mode. There's constant energy output during treatment. Mode 2, discontinuous working mode. There's discontinuous energy output during treatment. Choose proper working mode based on individual endurance. Those who are sensitive to electric currents are not recommended to take this treatment. There are 4 buttons on the handpiece. Wave. Light with a certain color flashes. Mode or on. Change the color of the flashing light or turn on the light. Auto. Lights with multiple colors flash cyclically. Off. Turn off the light. Something about the photon treatment. Red light can help with skin firming and anti-aging. Blue light can help kill bacteria and remove acne. Green light can help calm and repair skin. Yellow light can help fade spots and brighten skin. Purple light can help remove acne scars. White light can help regulate grease secretion. Turquoise light can help promote metabolism. Apply face essence before treatment. It is recommended that you should apply face mask and take the treatment at the same time. Press button to begin the treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.